It's your boy JD back with another one. So today we're working on the 2019 Porsche Cayenne. So these are the jump off points. So positive is beyond this little flap. It's right here, right above the coolant tank on the left side, passenger side. So you just push this in and then pull the red part up. So you put your positive terminal there and you put your negative terminal here, right there in the corner. So like I said, this is near the left fender on the passenger side. Okay, so next you're going to want to move to the passenger side of the vehicle, and you're going to want to take up your floor mat right here. After you take up your floor mat, you will see this panel right here. You're going to want to take up this panel next. And this is where your battery is located. So next, I'm going to show you how to take it out. Alright, so next, you're going to want to get your 10 millimeter. Go ahead and loosen your negative terminal. Once you get that loose, go ahead and wiggle it off. So you're going to go ahead and rock it back and forth and push up with your next hand while you're doing that. So got my negative off. Next, we're going to go ahead and take off my positive. Alright, so I used my wrench. One hand got my terminal loose, and I did the same thing I did with the negative. Just rock it back and forth and push up with my other hand. So next, going to take off this bracket down here. Looks like a 10 or a 12, but I'll let you know with both sides in a moment when I get that off. Alright, so simply what I did was, once I got the bolts off, it was still kind of stuck, so I just kind of rocked the battery to the side, and then this piece kind of just popped up as I rocked it to the side, so I took it off. And then with this piece, this part popped up, and then this little hanger part, you just pull down, move it in, and then pull up. So now, as you can see, my battery is loose, and it is free to take out. Except for this piece, I'm gonna take that off next. To remove this, it's kind of like a breather hose. It does have two ends that it can disconnect from. So I'm gonna put this end back in, and to disconnect it from this side, you just pull down on it and then pull out. What you do, you can also push it in, then pull out. You kind of do need two hands to do this, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. And as you can see, this has kind of like a rubber seal on it, what makes it a little bit difficult to get out. But if you just press down on it, like I said, push in and then push out. So I'm going to do everything in reverse now. When you put your new battery back in, you should be good to go.